Good morning. Good morning, beta. We had done letters to place order. Do you remember?
Good morning, ma'am.
Were you present, Ishika, Romit, Ronit, and Aditya when we did letters to place orders?
Yes, ma'am.
So the next one we are doing now, that is complaint letters. The first type of letter we did was letters to place orders. Ronit, Sachin, Aditya, were you there in the class when letters to placing orders were done?
No, ma'am.
You have not attended that only, then how will you complain? Write complaint letters if you've not even written letters placing orders. Ronit, you were also not there, Sachin?
No, ma'am.
Only Ishika was there. Very good. Beta, like this, how will you write your UTs? UT is starting very soon. And children, you see the condition of COVID these days. The present class 10th batch, their marks, final marks in board are being given according to your UTs and pre-boards. You people are taking things so lightly. Supposing you also don't have your boards, then your board examination mark sheet will be based upon your unit test and your pre-boards. How will you write your unit test if you're not even attending your classes sincerely and seriously? Niharika, were you present when you wrote letters placing orders? Good morning. Yes, Lakshay is always there. I know he's done. Lakshay, you were there, no? When we did letters to place orders?
Yes, ma'am.
I know Lakshay is there, Harsh is there. They're always there. I was asking whom? Niharika. Niharika, were you present?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, she was also there. I remember Harsh was there. Sachin, you were not there, no?
No, ma'am.
But I don't know how you people will write. Now we'll put on the heading
Ma'am,
complaint.
because I was suffering from fever.
Chalo, now please be regular. Put on the heading
Yes,
complaint letter and put on today's date later, not now. I'll give you time to write. Complaint letters. Today we are doing which letters? Complaint letters. Supposing you had ordered for some things and they have not reached. So you're complaining, or they are reached, but their quality is not good. So you're writing a complaint letter. Your Karan Oberoi, sports captain Don Bosco, you had placed an order of sports good with this company, London Sports. On receiving the goods, you found that some items were missing and some were defective. Write a letter of complaint to the supplier. We're going to write a letter of what to the supplier? Complaint letter. So what is the heading for today? We are going to do complaint letter. See, Don Bosco School, we don't have to write like this. I already told you only the first letter has to be capital. So D, B, and S will be capital. That's all. And PIN has to be written. Those who've done letters, those who have already done letters placing orders with me, they know how to write. But I'm still revising once again with you. Here only D will be capital, B will be capital, and S will be capital. PIN code will be written over here. We don't know the PIN code, so we write 123 XXX. Then date is wrong. Over here it should be TH, 25th November. TH and all has to be written and a comma after the month. Again, those who are present for orders, they know how to write the date. Then the name of the company to whom we are writing, the name of the city and the PIN code. If you don't know the PIN code, what will we write? Anything you can write, 456 XXX, 123 XXX, anything.
20 XX. 1, 2, 3,
Yes.
4 XX.
And the comma after the month. Supposing we write today's date, what will we write?
Ma'am, 14 June, comma 20
14th June
2021.
2021.
14th June, yes. And PH has to be written on the line, not in the power. And after
Yes,
comma
ma'am.
after
2021.
21.
Ma'am,
no,
20XX.
comma beta comma after the month. यहाँ पे comma June. We will put a comma here. 14th June, comma 20XX. This is the name of the company to whom we are writing. Subjects is this, goods received defective plus lesson number. Please read the letter. Let me discuss a few things with you. Read the letter quickly.
Yes.
Always remember, first is the sender's address, then date, then receiver's address, then salutation, dear sir and all, then subject, and then we write the letter. Read the letter quickly. Which kind of a letter is this? Placing orders or complaints?
Complaint.
Complaint.
Read it quickly. Read quickly, children. Read quickly. Mute your audios, children, until you need to speak. Mute
तू
your
जा
audio.
मैं नहीं बैठूंगा अपने बक्सा हुआ
Hurry up, beta. Mute your audios. Hurry up, children. Read it and mute the audio.
Ma'am, can you just explain the last?
Beta, first you'll
Paragraph.
read. First you'll read.
Ma'am, read.
I've given you time only to read first. Then we'll discuss. Just read
Read,
it
ma'am.
quickly. Discuss. I'll tell you what changes have to be done. As of now, just read what is written. This is what kind of a letter, children? Placing orders or complaints?
Complaint.
Ma'am, complaint.
and complain
What are you complaining about in this letter?
Ma'am, that the
Ma'am, goods. Cricket
not
kit.
proper.
Quality and
Yes.
ma'am, missing products.
Yes, supposing you had ordered for something 16 number, what you received is less. This is your first complaint, that the goods received a less in number. What is the second complaint?
The quality is not as expected and ma'am
Yes.
described.
So I hope you understood there are two conditions generally when we write complaint letters. What is the first condition?
Ma'am, quantity.
Yes,
Quantity is
Peter.
less. And when
Quantity
some
is
products
less.
are
Lesson numbers.
Yes, Peter, both the cases are there. Supposing you have ordered for something, which is supposing you ordered for books. Okay. And you had ordered for 50 books, but the books you've received are 42 or 43. So this is less in number. Or the quality is not good. Very quickly tell me, what are the two cases where we generally write letters of complaint? What two
ma'am,
cases?
quality and quantity.
The quality is
Lesson
not
numbers
good
and
and
Quality and
quality.
all the products are defective.
Yes, Peter. So when will you write letter of complaint? Before placing orders or after placing orders?
Ma'am,
After
placing order.
After
placing.
placing
After
order.
placing order
Very good. After placing orders.
Order.
Now listen, I'll tell you what changes have to be done when we normally write such letters. Sir, don't write sirs, just write sir. We are your old regular customers. What do you mean by this?
Ma'am, we
That
have ordered.
means
Ma'am, we are always taking the sports
yes, ma'am.
good from the factory or the owner from the farm.
And that means we have taken before also. Taken the order.
Means it means this only, that we always buy things from you only. Okay, now next. We are your old customers. We had placed a bulk order of sports goods with your firm. Please mention the date. They have not done the date, but you will write on. Please tell when did you place the order. Is it okay, children? Got the changes to be done? You don't have
Yes,
to write
ma'am.
sir.
Yes.
Don't write sir. Just write sir. Sir, that's it. We are your old and regular customers, full stop. We had placed a bulk order of sports goods with your firm on 24th May, full stop. We have received the goods, but unfortunately, we found that some goods were missing and some were defective. We now tell what is missing, what is defective. We found that the cricket kits are neither complete nor of the desired quality. Since your firm is a very well reputed firm, such elapse is hard to digest. Means we cannot even believe that you have done this because your firm is which kind of a firm?
Ma'am,
Very
reputed.
famous.
Very well
Reputed.
So your reputation is at stake. मतलब आपका reputation भी खतरे में है. That is what we are trying to say. It is therefore hoped that you will look into the matter and do the needful at your earliest. We are sorry that we are compelled to delay the payment. That means we are not yet paying for the order. What does it mean? That we are not going to pay as of now. Delay the payment. We will not pay till what is done? Till what is done?
Ma'am, return or ma'am,
Yes.
exchange.
Exchange, return, extra thing, needful. See, it is written needful is done. We are sorry that we are forced to delay the payment. Matlab, abhi we are not going to pay. We'll pay you only after our complaint is sorted out. Yours faithfully, no need to put this full stop. Can you see this full stop over here?
Yes, ma'am.
No
Yes,
need to
ma'am.
put full stop. Write your name, write sports captain. No need to write the name of the school over here because the name of the school is already written on the top. See, this is the correct way of writing the school I was telling you. D capital, B capital. It should be like this. Don Bosco School, New Delhi in the next slide. So what are the changes we are going to do? We will not write this in capitals. Only which letters will be capital?
Ma'am, start
Then
with
first
letters.
letter.
Starting.
Tell me where will you put the comma?
Ma'am, after
Ma'am,
the
after November month.
Yes, after the month. So if you write today's date, what will be today's date?
Ma'am, 14th
Ma'am,
June.
14
June,
14 June,
comma,
comma,
20th.
2020.
20
Very
XA.
So the comma will come after June. And here I have already told you what changes will be done. Only D, B and S will be capital. New Delhi, you will write the pin. How will you write the pin, children?
Ma'am, 1, 2, 3,
Ma'am, 1, 2, 3,
XX.
4,
1, 2,
XX.
3
1, 2,
XX.
3, X.
Then you will leave a
Ma'am.
line, you will write the date,
Excuse me,
then
ma'am.
leave a line. Yes, Peter.
Ma'am, after ma'am, this ma'am, New Delhi, ma'am, we have to leave a line. And ma'am, after date, we have to leave a line.
Yes, see, you can see extra space over here. That means you're leaving a line. Here, London Sports, again, I would suggest don't write it like this, but they have written in capital, so we have written. In place of sirs, what will you write?
Ma'am, only sir.
Only
sir.
so.
What will be added here? Sports goods with your firm. What will be
Ma'am,
added over
date
here?
on
Yes,
their date.
on
Date.
any date which is at least 15 days before your date of writing the letter. And this is how we will complain about the letter. Everybody is ready with their copies?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, see what you will do. You will not write the entire letter, Abhi. You will only write this receiver's address. I have told you how to change today's date, sender's address, date, receiver's address, and subject. Only till here you will write and make a box. That's all. Now listen carefully. You will make a box. You will not close the box from down. That only we'll do after we finish writing. Receiver's address, sorry, sender's address, date, receiver's address, and subject. Only till here. Start writing. Tell me that you're posting on the group. Whatever will be posted on the group will be checked by all. We will all check and
Excuse
see
me,
how
ma'am.
many mistakes we are able to find. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, please tell ma'am that ma'am, here we have to leave the lines, ma'am, in the whole ma'am letter.
Beta, what you simply do is write sender's address, leave a line, write date, leave a line, write receiver's address. Okay, leave a line, dear sir, and then no need to leave a line after dear sir and subject. So you will only be writing what, children? Sender's address, date and put today's date. Don't put that date which is written there. Today's date, receiver's address and subject. Till here you write and tell me, ma'am, I'm posting. Once you see, once you post on the group, once you're posting on the group, inform me that, ma'am, I'm posting. Beta, whoever posts, we will all check and find out mistakes. Let's see who writes without a single mistake. Is it okay for everybody? Everybody knows till where what we have to write? Tell me what
Ma'am,
all
what
you have to
changes we
write.
have to make in ma'am the receiver's address?
You have to make changes in the name of the company. You need not write all capital letters. Only the first letter should be capital and PIN code should be added, which is not added.
Okay, ma'am. Thank
So
you, ma'am.
for posting, children, sender's address, date, receiver's address, and subject. Clear? Yes or
Yes, ma'am.
no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Chaliye, start writing and tell me, ma'am, I've written, I'm posting. Whoever posts, we'll all check and find mistakes. This is a competition. Let us see who writes without a single mistake. Start.
Ma'am, New Delhi, we have to write in capital or ma'am small?
With the same pattern, N will be capital and D will be capital. That's it.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I have posted.
We posted very soon. Children, go back to the group. Everybody,
Ma'am,
start finding mistakes.
only
Come on.
the address,
First
ma'am.
you find. First you find and then I'll find. Come on, children, find mistakes. Let's see how many can be found. Stop writing, go to the group, check. First you people find, then I'll find.
Ma'am, posted.
Yes, keep posting one by one. We'll keep checking also. Hurry up, children, find a mistake in the first one which is posted.
Ma'am, there is no comma after city.
After city, where? In
Ma'am,
which place?
ma'am, in WhatsApp, ma'am. He, ma'am, Lakshya Kumar, some letter.
No, no. Are we checking?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Students, are we checking?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Did you check on the group?
Ma'am, there should be comma
ma'am.
after city's name to write pin code.
Okay. Anybody else? Finally, I will tell, but if there's anyone else who wants to give any suggestion
And ma'am,
regarding the correction.
subject is also missing.
Don Bosco School, New Delhi. There is no comma needed after New Delhi. It's absolutely okay. Sender's address
Ma'am,
is
to write pin
correct.
code.
Pin code the child has written. I'm talking about the first one. The first one is whose? Lakshay. I'm discussing
done.
about what Lakshay
Ma'am,
has written
question.
first. Lakshay has written correct. The sender's address, the date is also written correct. London Sports, very good. There is no mistake in this also. And Lakshay, there is no mistake in what you've written. You've not written the subject, but Lakshay, write the subject also.
Okay, ma'am.
Don Bosco, we don't need a comma after Delhi. Who is the second child? Karthike. Karthike, cut this comma after Delhi. We don't need put comma over here.
Okay, ma'am.
Date is correct. And in receiver's address also, just remove the comma. Subject, goods received, defective plus lesson number. Rest everything is correct. Just remove the commas. Okay, now Sachin. Sachin, the pin code has to be written in the same line with the city. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And pin code is always 6 digits. So put 3x. 1, 2, 3, x, x, x. So in front of New Delhi, what will you write, Sachin?
Ma'am, pin code.
Pin code. And pin code, add one more x. Date is correct. Same mistake you have done when we write Meerut. When you write Meerut, the pin code will be written in front of Meerut only. Rest everything is correct for Sachin. Let me move on to Harsh now. Harsh, no need to put comma after April. Remove the comma. Okay.
Ma'am.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And with 14, write TH. 14th June. Please write
Okay, ma'am.
TH. Okay. Remove the comma after Meerut also. Rest everything is correct. Keep doing the changes here only. Now we read about Gaurav. Gaurav, remove the comma after Delhi. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And put TH 14th June.
Okay.
Also remove the comma after Meerut. Also remove the comma after Meerut. Very good. Let's read for Bhumika. Bhumika, remove the comma after Bosco. Are you
Yes.
listening?
Yes.
Okay. The D of Delhi should be capital. Keep changing. D of Delhi is capital. Remove the comma after Meerut also. Rest everything is correct, what she has written. Next is Kavyansh. Kavyansh, remove the comma after Delhi. Kavyansh, can you hear me?
Yes,
Remove the comma after Delhi, and this TH which you have written, write it on the line only. Don't write it as a power or an
okay,
exponent.
ma'am.
And remove the comma after Meerut. Rest everything is correct. Niharika. Okay. Remove that comma after Delhi. I think she's already removed. Meerut, subject, perfect. So that comma you have removed now after Delhi, Niharika?
Yes, ma'am.
So if that is removed, then everything is fine. So we've written till subject. Okay, now let's go further. Everybody just write the first paragraph. And in place of sirs, what will you write?
So,
I'm only sir.
Sir.
Only the first paragraph and post on the group.
Sir.
Once you finish writing, tell me that I'm posting. I'm on the group only. I'll keep checking.
Ma'am, after subject, ma'am, we have to leave a line, then we have to write sir.
Yes, Peter. Start.
And again, we have to leave a line, then start the body.
Yes, yes, start. And only the first paragraph has to be written. Once you finish writing the first paragraph, inform me. And in place of sirs, what are you going to write, children?
Ma'am, sir, only sir.
Yes. Very good. Start.
Ma'am, after sir also we have to leave a line.
Beta, it's a choice. Preferably, there is no need to put a comma after sir. In some books, you will find there is a comma. So that is also not wrong. But avoid putting commas. Nowadays, we don't put commas. But in some books, you will find, but that is not wrong as well. Once you finish writing the first paragraph, inform me.
I'm done.
Please post on the group. We'll check.
Yes.
Children, I'm also reading. You will also read. Find if you can find any mistakes. Beta, by the time we are checking, you write the second paragraph. Others, please post. I'm reading whatever is being posted on the group.
Ma'am, posted.
Only one child has posted the paragraph. What about others?
Ma'am, posted.
I have also
Posted.
Okay, let me check on the group back. Please check for others as well. Let's see if there are some mistakes which are done. Those who posted the first paragraph can move on to the second paragraph. Hurry up, bache. I am reading whatever. Hurry up, beta. Those who posted the first paragraph will write the conclusions. And others, please the initial paragraphs. I'm on the group only checking. I'll only mark those students present to post on the group. Finish it soon. Finish the letter and tell me that, ma'am, we finished. We are posting. Hurry up, please. I hope you all are writing.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Keep writing, keep posting. I'm on the group only checking.
Ma'am, posted.
But I'm checking on the group only. I've received what you posted. Other students also, please hurry up. Hurry up, children. Let me check on the group. Hurry up, please. You have to conclude. Only this thing you have to take care that you will not write the name of the school which is written over here. You will only write till your sports captain. That's why I'm showing you only till here. You will not write the name of the school. Okay, beta. Whatever is coming on the group, I'm checking only. Be very careful about full stops, where to change the line, all these kind of things. Who is Karan Oberoi? What is his designation?
Ma'am, he is the sports captain.
Yes. And I've seen some students, they put a comma after yours faithfully. That is not needed. No comma after sir is needed. No comma after your faithfully is needed. Many books you will find there's a comma written here down when you're closing the letter. Yours faithfully. No need to put a comma over there. Everybody please post on the group. I'm checking on the group
Ma'am,
only.
posted. Ma'am, posted.
And also write your name when you post. Because sometimes
Yes,
you
ma'am.
have names. I'm reading everybody's. Keep posting one by one. Hurry up, please, quickly. What kind of letters are these?
Ma'am, complaint letters.
Yes. Those who finished, read this one. Okay, I'll tell you the question. You write a letter to Mrs. Bhalla Sports Patiala complaining about tracksuits supplied by them and create all the info. No need to write this. Those who have finished writing the previous one will read this. Only read. By the time others, please write and post on the group. Those who finished, what are we complaining about now? See the subject.
Ma'am, defective track suits, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Defective tracksuits. So those who have already posted will just read this, and those who have not yet posted will first post. Which kind of a letter is this? Tell me, beta, which kind of a letter is this? Placing orders or
complaint.
Ma'am,
Complaint.
complaint letter.
What complaint are we doing? For what are we complaining?
For
Ma'am, about the
defect of track suits.
Very good, very good. Just read it. The second letter is not to be written today. Just check.
Read, ma'am.
Read, beta, what are we complaining? Whom are we complaining?
About that
What is wrong? What is wrong in this letter? Tell me.